Hey guys, welcome back to Nanrobot. Today we will show you how to replace kickstand. Different models have slightly different designs. To replace the kickstand, follow the same steps for each model. Here we are using D6+2.0 as an example. Of course, you can always chat with our support team if you have any questions. First of all, we use Allen key to remove all the screws on the deck cover. Please remember to keep them carefully. Remove the deck cover and the rubber gasket. Next, we find the yellow connector where the controller is connected to the battery and unplug it. This is followed by the yellow connector that is linked to the charger and charging port. Disconnect it. Now we can take the battery out. Next step, we need Allen key and a small wrench. To remove the screw, place a wrench on the back of the screw for support and use an Allen key to loosen it. Repeat this operation until you can remove the two screws that were used to fix it in place. Once complete, remove the damaged kickstand. Take out a new kickstand and secure it in place by tightening the screws in their respective holes. Next, take both nuts and screw them onto the screws. As previously instructed, secure the nuts with a small wrench and tighten the screws with the Allen key. Finally, we check the kickstand by shaking it to ensure that it has been installed properly. After the kickstand is installed, we put the battery into the battery compartment, and please not to press the wiring. Then we find two yellow connectors, circle to circle, square to square. It will cause a short circuit if your operation is wrong, so please make sure to check the hole position before connecting them. And take these two small yellow connectors and link them exactly like the old one. After connecting all the connections, we turn on the voltage lock and long press the switch on the throttle to confirm that the instrument display is showing properly. Next, press and hold the headlight/horn button to check whether the horn is sounding properly and whether the lights are flashing properly. After it, lay the rubber gasket, put the deck cover, and tighten the screws. That's all for today. Hope this video will help you. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe buttons, and we'll see you in the next one.